Saturday, he goes to the beach with his dad. They play football. His granddad sometimes plays too. It's fun. Ben plays in a football team. Players play football in 2 teams. One team has got 11 players. His dad doesn't play in a football team. He plays rugby. Rugby teams have got 15 players. Rugby players can throw the ball to another player. They can catch the ball and they can run too. This is Sarah. She doesn't play rugby or football. She likes playing tennis. These boys don't play tennis. They play basketball. They can catch and bounce the ball. They can throw it too. Sport is fun. Do you like sport?